In today's video, I'll discuss the differences between Billie and Athena razors. Watch until the end to find out which razor I ultimately recommend, but first, let's delve into their differences. The primary difference between Billie and Athena razors is the cost. Athena is...
Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial.
Slightly more expensive than Billie, with a 4-refill blade pack costing $12, compared to Billie's 4-refill blades at $9. Consequently, Billie is the more budget-friendly option. When it comes to the blades, Billie's razor blades are infused with charcoal shave soap, making them bulkier and somewhat challenging to maneuver during shaving. On the other hand, Athena's razor blades contain shea butter and a skin guard, resulting in a less bulky design. This makes Athena's blades easier to handle in difficult-to-shave areas like underarms and knees, providing a more comfortable shaving experience. Regarding the handles, Athena's razor handle feels like lightweight metal, offering a solid grip, whereas Billie's handle feels like hollow plastic. Athena's handle is slightly heavier and thus easier to hold securely. Both razor handles come with a magnetic hook, but Athena's hook is superior as it does not rust or fall off the shower walls like Billie's. Therefore, Athena offers higher quality razor handles. Do Billie and Athena have any similarities? Yes, both razor subscription starter kits include 2 5-blade cartridges, 1 wall mount holder, and 1 razor handle. To sum up, which is better, Billie or Athena? While Billie razors are more affordable, making them a great choice for those on a budget, I prefer Athena razors due to their high quality and exceptional comfort. Therefore, I choose Athena razors over Billie razors. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.